subscribe to make this channel get boosted, guys. We need to reach 2,000 subscribers. Please, guys. Please, guys. Please, guys. Please, guys. Hello, you guys. It's Ninja Coder here, and today I have something incredible for you guys. I have not just a sign up form, but also a login form. Not just a sign up and login form, also an animated with an eye tracker. See, it's tracking my mouse movement. I feel like it can read my mind. It's following my mouse left, right, and center, guys. Isn't that amazing? And guess what is also amazing? If you like and you subscribe, it helps grow the channel and it helps me make more crazy videos like this coin market cap coin sniper clone, which I just made. You can go and check that video out, guys. So please like, subscribe, comment on the kind of websites you want me to clone, the kind of things you want me to see from this channel, guys. I need your comments, I need your likes, guys. And guess what about this code? The code is in the description, guys. It's in the description. I put 2 links there, guys. But let's look at the form. Let's look at the form a bit more. If we go to our email, we try and submit it showing email is required. If we remove the password, it's showing email is required, password is required. Isn't that nice? We switch to the sign up. We click on it, saying please confirm your password. We click on it, saying password is required. Please confirm your password. If I type in the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's saying password must be at least 8 characters. So I'm going to say 6, 7, 8, and I try, and it's saying please confirm your password. There I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will tell us passwords do not match. So we have to complete it 6, 7, 8, and then it goes. And guess what? If we go to our console, we're able to see form submitted with the confirmed password, the email, and the password. So you see, very, very nice. Let's clear all of this. Let's come to our login. If we try like this, it's showing us an error. If we try without an email, it's showing us an error, guys. So if we clear everything out and we say smart full stack developer at gmail.com and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we clear this. I will see login. You can see it's submitted with all our details. So this form is really, really nice. You can see the eyes just tracking me. It's tracking me everywhere, guys. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Make sure you like and you subscribe to make this channel get boosted, guys. We need to reach 2,000 subscribers. Please, guys. Please, guys. Please, guys. Please, guys. All right, let's get to it little by little. Okay, so here we're saying login form, sign up form doesn't exist. So in our sign up form, we're just going to say REFCE. We're going to name this sign up form. And we're going to save sign up. Okay. Then we're going to go to our login, REFCE. I'm going to say login. How do we want to import this? We check our wrapper. And our wrapper over here, we have is logged in. Okay, login form. Okay, so we'll go here and say login form. And paste that here. So we have our 2 things set up. So let's get into the login form. Okay, guys. Okay, first things first, we're going to get some of our components we're going to need. So we're going to go to the top over here. We're going to import alerts from Shadui, label, input, button, card, and other things we're going to use. We're going to be using use effect, or we're going to be using use state. Okay, guys. So before we continue, we're going to also define our typescript. Okay, so let's define our TypeScript interfaces. Okay, guys. Interface form data email the string. Our password is also a string. Now confirm password is also a string. Okay. Okay, and I'll confirm. Okay, Okay, so we're also going to define our mouse position. And it's going to be X for number and Y for number. Okay, guys, so our form data represents our form state, and our form errors also are optional error messages for in case any field is missing. Okay, guys, then our mouse position is tracking the cursor coordinates for eye animation. So we're just defining our types. Okay, so let's set up our state. Okay, so we come over here. Okay, so to make this easy, I'm just going to copy the states we're going to be using. Okay, so we're going to be using our form data states. We're going to have email, password, and confirm password. Then we're also going to get our errors. So in our errors, you can see here is an empty object. What we will do is that in case we get any errors from email, password, or confirm password, we're going to insert that into our state. Okay. Then is submitting, mouse position, and is password focus. So that if the user clicks on the password, then we can hide the eyes animation. Okay, guys. All right. So let's define our use effect. That's going to be helping us track the eye position. Okay, mouse event, mouse position. Okay, so our use effect is now defined. Now, we use effect for clean setup and teardown. Okay, the event listener cleans up, prevents memory leaks, and the mouse event type ensures our type safety. Okay, so make sure that you're trying to use more TypeScript. Okay, it's like the industry standard now, so you have to like get used to using it. Okay. Okay, so let's work on our validation logic. Okay, so I'm going to say validate form. Okay. All right. So we're going to do form errors. All right. So this is our object. All right. So we're using the type from this type interface form errors, guys. Okay. So let's continue. Then email validation. Okay. So we're going to say if there's nothing in our form data.email. Okay. We're going to say new errors dot email equals email is required, else if we run this type check, just going to copy that here. So we're checking this to make sure we get any of this. So we're checking the email format, okay, to make sure we have an at, a dot. All right. So we're going to say new errors dot email equals to invalid email format. Then we're going to do the password validation. If from data. Okay. Okay, just hold on. Okay, so we're right here, we're checking if okay, this is a mistake. Okay, so here we're checking if there's nothing in our password, right? So we're saying the password is required. And then we're also checking if the password length is less than 8. Okay, so in case you guys need to see it a bit more clearly. So we're also checking if the password length is less than 8. So if it's less than 8, we're telling the user that the password must be 8 characters. Okay, so we're also going to check and see if the password matches with the confirmed password. Okay, so here we're saying if there's nothing confirmed password, please confirm your password. And if confirmed password is not equal to form data password, then we're asking the user that the passwords do not match. Okay, guys? Then down here, we're saying we're setting the errors to be the new errors that with the objects we've created here. So if none of these validations get triggered, then we'll have an empty object, okay, that will set in set errors, okay. So here we're returning if the object.keys new errors, the length, we're checking the length of the news errors. If it's equal to 0, we're returning true. If it's not equal to 0, we're returning false, okay, guys. Then we're going to work on our handle submit, which we're going to do down here. And we're saying if the user submits, so we're going to set that the user has set submit to be true. So that's just like loading, okay? So we're setting the is submitting true. That means the user has clicked submit button, okay? So we're also going to now try validate form. If we try to validate form and it comes back as true, then we're going to say yes, console log form submitted the form data. We're going to console log with form data. Or if there's an error in that, we're going to say try catch error, okay? And we're going to set the submitting as false. So if the user clicks on the submit button and the validate form comes back as false, it is not going to do anything and the user is not going to say any feedback, okay? Remember, we're returning it here, whether it comes true or false, if the length of the errors is equal to 0. So if it's equal to 0, we're returning yes, true. There are no errors. But if it's coming back as more, if the length of the errors is more than 0, it's coming back as false. So it will not trigger anything. The user will not say anything on the screen. Okay, now the next function is the calculating of the eye's position. Okay, so this is the calculating eye position. Here we have the eye area and we're checking the position of the eyes. Okay, very, very simple. Okay, guys. Okay, it's not very simple. But once you go through it, you'll be able to understand it. Um, okay, so let's go to the SVG component. Okay, guys. So if you've downloaded the GitHub repository, you'll be able to see the container for the eyes is here, the SVG for the eyes. And we're using a card header for the login sign. And we're using a form, submit. We have a div, an input for the email, also an input for the password. Okay, guys? And we have the errors, showing the errors from the errors.password. Okay? So that's how we go through the form. It's very, very simple. It's the same thing with login and logout, with sign up and the login. So very, very simple. Make sure you leave a thumbs up in the video, guys. we're trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe and you like. It helps me create more codes and give out more codes to you guys. Okay, guys? Thank you very much.